Hey class, so you should have just watched a video about sounds that vowels can make, the long sound that vowels can make. And remember, the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. This week we're going to be focusing on A and I, and the long A sound and the long I sound. And our spelling words this week are all going to have the A and I, the long A, the long I. So this is going to be your assignment on the next slide. You're going to go to the next slide and you're going to look. This says you can spell the long A sound with the A consonant E pattern, as in cake. C-A-K-E. The E on the end is silent and the A is the long A sound. So it says A, not A. A is the short A sound. A is the long A sound. You can spell the long I sound with the I consonant E pattern, as in mine. Again, it's spelled M-I-N-E, and the E on the end is silent, and the I makes the I sound. The long sound is I, not it, like the short sound. This week we're talking about the long sound. So it's I. So all of our spelling words this week have either a long A or a long I in them. So, like I said, all of our spelling words this week have the long A or the long I sound. And this week you're going to click on the next slide and you're going to see a paper that looks just like this one right here. And it says, write each basic spelling word in the correct column. This column says words with long A. And this column says words with long I. So you're going to come right here and you're going to look at the first one, cake. C-A-K-E. Does that have the long A or the long I sound? Correct, the long A sound. So you're going to come over here and you're going to type in this one, C-A-K-E. This column says words with long I. Let's look at the word number 2, mine. Does mine have long A or long I sound? You're right, it has the long I sound, M-I-N-E. So you're going to come right here and you're going to type M-I-N-E. And you're going to do that for each of these basic spelling words. You don't have to do the review words because they're from last week, just a little review. The basic spelling words right here. Cake, mine, plate, size, 8, grape, prize, wipe, race, line, pile, and rake. And you're going to type them in the correct column. Either words with long A or words with long I. Good luck!